What's your name?
Why am I even being asked?
Well, you don't have ID, and then we made a. Yeah, if you're a passenger in a vehicle, you need to have your ID.
Why is that? I have an ID. I don't have to give it to you. I mean, I didn't do anything wrong. Stop, please. I didn't do anything wrong, man.
Here's the deal. You tense up, I'm gonna listen to me. Listen to me.
I understand.
Listen to me. Relax your arm, okay?
After passenger refuses to ID, this happens.
Listen. He's gonna fight, dude.
No, I'm not, bro. Ow, please stop. I'm not fighting.
Relax.
Okay, babe, I'm not.
Don't pull away. Hey, get your
I'm not,
taser
bro.
out.
I'm not, bro. I'm not.
You are.
I'm not. I promise you that.
You got a taser on you right now.
He's not.
I'm not doing nothing, man. I'm not doing nothing, bro.
I'm tell you right now, you're gonna continue.
Ow, man, what the fuck is wrong with you?
Relax.
I am, dude. Ow, stop, motherfucker.
He's not gonna
I'm not shit. Ow! Stop! Stop doing that, please, please.
Stop. Give me your hand.
Give me your hand. Okay.
He's not gonna do nothing!
Middle of the complex, roll fire.
You're doing this for absolutely no reason. This is stupid.
She's got to get to you. Whoever hit me in the head.
Yeah.
No.
No!
I'm not doing anything.
Fucking doing nothing!
Get your hands up right now. Get your hands up right now. Mark, stay down.
I'm saying you hit him in the head with a bat.
Hey, we need to get. Watch Mark. He's hurt.
I'm just sucking his
I
seatbelt.
fucking do!
You hit him in the head.
No, she didn't. She didn't mean to.
I hit
I'm stuck
Face
in the
the
seatbelt.
car. Face the car.
I am stuck in the seatbelt, bro. Ow. I'm stuck. I'm stuck, bro. Ow.
Hey, get in front of the car right now. Get in front of the car. Come on. You're all right. Come on. You're all right, buddy. Come on. He's hurt. Mark is hurt. He got hit in the head by her. We need to get her in handcuffs right now.
She didn't mean to. Please don't take my phone.
Hey, stop.
Don't kick. Hey. Stop it. Get the kid out of the car. Get him to the front of the car.
Walk this way.
Everybody's in custody right now.
What did I do?
Who's got the taser? Both of us. Take your taser out.
There's probes everywhere. I got him.
I'm damn how hard
Go ahead and
bro,
blow up,
please. I can't breathe. Please, I can't breathe. Elbow! My elbow!
Okay, keep fighting. You're gonna get it again. You want it again? Shut your mouth! I'm done fucking around with you!